Alright, little quick before and after. Again, we've got two 100 amp hour batteries. We got a 3000 watt inverter. We got chargers here hooked up to a 20 amp charger in the top. Bunch of wires. Two more 100 amp hour left PO4s. Inner wiring harness thing over there. This is what we're working with here. We're going to get it all back to factory. 2 lead acids in there. Simplified cord. Ready to rock, so let's get to work. Show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, got the lead acids back in, vented, strapped down, vented on the bottom, strapped down, and our house power wire hooked back up to the outside, just like it was originally. Shut our doors. Front cabinet's good. Now I just got to clean up my pile of stuff here. We're good to go.